If your Ram 1500 keeps dropping your Apple CarPlay connection during your drive, here is how you can troubleshoot and fix it. Data shows that about 80% of these connectivity headaches are caused by simple cable issues or minor software bugs. Let us break down the diagnostic process to get you back to a stable connection. Start by inspecting your cable for damage and cleaning the dust out of your phone's charging port. Software conflicts on your iPhone are also frequent offenders, so make sure you are running the latest iOS update. Sometimes you need to clear the slate by removing your phone from the Uconnect system and performing a fresh pairing. Try these simple software fixes first, because a dealer visit for a hardware replacement should always be your last resort. As you can see, replacing the cable solves the vast majority of cases without any professional intervention. If the problem persists, test with a second phone to determine if the issue lies with your device or the truck itself. Remember, cheap gas station cables are often the secret culprit behind intermittent disconnects. Consistency in your hardware is the real key to maintaining a reliable connection on the road. Thanks for watching, and hopefully your CarPlay connection is solid again. Don't forget to subscribe for more RAM troubleshooting.